Hello， 有声音吗 ？Hello， 有声音吗？Okay. Okay. Today we talk about how to print on the water bottle and beverage bottle. Okay. As we know, the summer is coming. As we know, the summer is coming, and the water and beverage industry, the busy season is coming. Okay. So your beverage production line is ready now. So today we will show how to print on beverage bottle and water bottle. Okay. Now the video it is showing CO2 41 laser printer. Okay, laser printer which print on PET bottles. Which can print on PET bottles. Because most of our beverage bottles and water bottles, they are used transparent PET bottles. They are used transparent PET bottles, and so for the CO2 laser printer, we also have different wavelengths. Okay, so which wavelength it is best for print on beverage bottles? So CO2 laser, we have three types wavelengths. It is 10.6. This 10.6 wavelength, it is the standard wavelength. Okay, it is normally used in the wood, label and carton printing. Okay, and also the second wavelength, it is 10.2. Okay, 10.2. It is used for printing on the transparent film. Okay, so sometimes our plastic bags, transparent plastic bags, we should use the 10.2 wavelength CO2 laser printer. Okay, and the third one, it is 9.3 wavelength. This is what we will talk about today. Okay, this is what we will talk about today. 10.2, 10.3, 9.3 wavelength. It is special for PET bottle printing. Okay, this wavelength, it is best for PET bottle printing. Okay, so in China market, all of the PET bottle, something like a food oil bottle, transparent bottle, food oil bottle, water bottle, beverage bottle, say sewing bottles, and some milk bottles if they are filled by PET bottle. So most of them are printing by 9.3 CO2 laser printer. Okay, and this laser printer it use China-based CRD laser printer, laser source. Okay, China-based, China #1 brand laser source. It is CRD laser source. It is China-based laser source. Okay, as we know, there are different price for CO2 laser printer. The price much difference. Some laser printer it is high price. Some they are very cheap price. So if you don't know what's the difference, if you only choose the very low price printers, maybe after you use 6 months or 1 year, it will give you troubles. Okay, it will take the times. But CRD, if you choose the laser printer, it uses CRD laser source. It can work in stability around 30,000 hours. Okay, it can work in stability around 30,000 hours. Okay, it can work in stability 2 or 5 years. Working stability, no need any maintenance, no need any after sales. Okay, it will save time and save money. So that is why some CO2 laser printer it is high price, and also some laser printer it is very cheap price, because cheap price printers they are using very low quality laser source. Okay, it uses low quality laser source, and also their quality process is not so careful. Okay, the quality, that means low price CO2 laser printer, maybe the quality not so stability. Okay, maybe if you buy 100 pieces, maybe there are more than 10 pieces there will be broken. Okay, maybe after use the 6 months or 8 months, it will give you problems. Okay, it will waste time and waste money. And also the laser printer it support global languages. Okay, it support global languages, something like English. Most of we export it is English system, and also it supports Spanish, Arabic, and any language. If you need it, we can develop it. Okay, any language if you need it, we can develop it. And also the printer it can connect with different type of packing machines, something like vertical packing machines, PLC, filling machines, label machines, all the machines we can install. Okay, and the laser printer, the speed can up to 600 to 1,200 bottles per minute. Okay, so it can match different packing machine speed. Okay, and for the galvanometer, we also have low speed galvanometer and high speed galvanometer. Okay, so if your packing machine it is high speed, so we should use the high speed. We should install the high speed galvanometer into the laser printer. If if your packing machine it is not so high speed, so the government we use the standard, it's okay. So actually, if you are the water bottle factory, how you will choose the laser printer? It depends on how is your production line speed. Okay, how is your production line speed? The most you should consider it is the laser source. Okay, if you choose the China-based laser source, the quality is good, and also it will save time and money. Okay, it will save your time and money, and also give you best printing solution. Okay, it will give you best printing solution. So sometimes you will see some beverage in the supermarket. It is not printing very good. That is because they didn't choose the correct printing machine for their beverage. Okay, for their beverage bottles. Okay. So this CO2 laser printer, we export to different countries, something like Dubai, different countries. Okay, India, Brazil, and USA. Okay, it supports different languages, and also it supports different system. Okay, just let me know your production line details. We can give you full printing solutions. Okay, we can give you full printing solutions. So for the CO2 laser printer, it can print text, date, serial number, barcode number, QR code, logos, and different text on the product. Okay, and it is better for mass production printing, and so it is best for mass production printing. Okay, with high speed. Okay, with high speed. It is used in the food industry, cosmetic industry, and medicine industry. Okay, medicine industry. It can print nameplates, glass, wood, different materials. Okay, CO2 printer. It can print on different cartons, wood, and labels. Okay, the most printing it is used in the labels. It prints labels and water bottles and films. Okay, films. So why the laser printer it is used, widely used for these years? Because how to say, because the laser printer, the price is up, down and down these years. Okay, down and down these years. And also laser printer it is non-contact printing. Okay, non-contact printing, so it is the best eco-friendly printing. Okay, it is eco-friendly printing, so no VOC. Okay, no VOC. So WES 40 watt CO2 9.3 is best for water bottle printing. 40 watt CO2 laser with 9.3 wavelength is widely regarded as optimal for printing on PET water bottles due to material absorption, safety, contrast, and speed. Firstly, PET plastic strongly absorb 9.3 light compared to the standard 10.6 wavelength. 9.3 mass PETs resonance better, so energy stays near the surface. This creates a bright white high contrast mark with a surface forming far more readable than finite marks from longer wavelengths. Second, it prevents burn through on thin bottles. Modern PET bottles are ultra lightweight. 10.6 lasers often penetrate too deeply, cause holes or structural weakness. The 9.3 beam etches shadows, clean marks without damaging thin walls. Third, 40 watt power. Balance speed and precision. It's strong enough for high-speed production lines, but not excessive. It maintains fine detail for small text, barcodes, and QR codes. while running reliable 24 hours by 7 days. Fourth, cost and efficiency. No ink or consumables are needed. Only electricity and compressed air. The mark is permanent, tamper-proof, and food safe, ideal for beverage packing. So, in a short, 9.3 UM lumens and 40 watt power delivers the clearance, safety, fast, and most economical laser marking for PET water bottle. So, why CO2 laser printer is popular in food and beverage industries? Because in our traditional printing, we normally use the inkjet printer, that is CIJ inkjet printer and TIJ inkjet printer. Okay, and TIJ inkjet printer. But the printing smuggle easily during transport, okay, because as we know, for the ink printing, if we use after printing, if we use alcohol to erase it, we can erase the printing off very easily. So, but if we printing by laser printer, the printing will long stay on the water bottle. Okay, long stay on the water bottle. And secondly, it is ink fails to adhere to smooth bottles. The third one, it is codes can be wiped off or tampered. The fourth one, it is ink solvents cause VOC pollutions. And the fifth one, it is high cost for ink and consumables. Six, it is frequent clogs leads to downtime. The seventh one, it is blurred codes trigger complaints. Eighth one, it is not compliant with food safety standards. The ninth, it is ink odor harms workers' health. The 8, the 10, it is hard to realize product conceivability. Okay, so CO2 laser printer, it 9.3, it is best for printing on beverage and for printing beverage and water industry. Okay. Just send me message, okay, if you need the printer, okay. If you need the printer, we have full solutions for printing on water bottle and beverage and food oil and milk industries, okay. We have different solutions, and also we have different videos, demo videos, and also we have the customer set videos we can share with you, okay. laser print for water bottle printing. Factory directly, okay? Best price. This video we are showing the CO2 laser print on water bottle and beverage bottle, okay? And beverage bottle. It supports global languages, okay? Now we have English, Spanish, Arabic, and languages. If you want, we can develop it, okay? Okay, we talk about if you want to come to China. Okay, some details I would like to share with you. Okay, the notice for foreigner visiting China. Okay, food, clothing, housing, transportation. Okay, about food, because China is very big and we have different taste. Okay, some spicy, some not spicy, noodles, rice and bread. Okay, the biggest difference is if China, if you come to China, most of Chinese people eat food use chopsticks. Okay, chopsticks. Okay, because most of them, I know most of them you will use forks. Okay, or knives, but most of China we are use chopsticks. Okay, so maybe you can try it firstly. About the payment and the APPs. Okay, actually, if you come to China, we don't use cash so much. Okay, we don't put cash in our bags so many. Normally we use e-pay. Okay, e-pay. It is Alipay and WeChat Pay. Okay, most Chinese people will use Alipay and WeChat Pay. About safety clothing. Okay, because China is very big. It is North China, East China, West China, and South China. Okay, different places and different weathers, and maybe sometimes north and south the temperature it is very much difference. Okay, so if you come to China, check it before you come the city weather. Okay, and also if you come to China, you need to book your hotel. Okay, normally you can book with trip.com or hotel website. Must register with passport at check-in. Normally you can pay by RMB or Visa, Mastercard, Alipay or WeChat Pay. All of them are okay. Okay, and most hotels have Wi-Fi and 24 hours hot water. Baggage hotels may lack some maintenance green travel-sized supplies. Okay, transportation. China have high-speed rail or low-speed trains. Okay, also have subway, metro. Also we have city bus or taxi. Okay, if you want to, if you reach one city if you reach one city and if you want to from one place to other place, you should use, normally we should use the taxi, but also in China we use the taxi app, something like DD, okay? Just show your destination written in Chinese for drivers. They will send you to this destination, okay? Also in most of the cities we have shared bags, okay? We have shared bags. It's for shorter travel, okay, from one place to other place. Also, you should learn basic Chinese languages. Use translation apps. Okay? Our city is in Hangzhou. It is East China, and it is Alibaba same city, okay, and it is near Shanghai. From our city to Shanghai International Airport around 2 hours, okay? It is in east of China, so if you come to China next time, welcome you come to our factory, okay?
Anh lên lên mà ba người ta nhảy đèn ăn.
Visual bar.
Lên 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 mà
bato. This vulgar.